Sequoia National Park, the third, created in 1890 to protect these massive sequoias that you can only get the scale of if you put a human next to them because...
They're so big!
And they also have crazy fire scars all over the oldest ones, but they still stand. But that's not the only thing in the park. We took a hike out to Morro Rock, which is a huge granite dome. And you could actually walk right out on top of it and get incredible views of the Sierra Nevada mountains, our first snow peaks. But we also found a little waterfall. This is Marble Falls, so named because of the radiant white marble rock that the water just gushes down. But pretty soon we headed back up the mountain to get some more sequoia action. We found the second day that there was fresh snow from the night before.
General Sherman, biggest living thing in the world.
The giant forest grove that we trekked around,
He's a beauty.
had some of the biggest sequoia trees in the world. And the snowfall just made it that much more beautiful and magical. Just hard to express walking among these giants and how small you feel. They're so big that this guy just tunneled right into a fallen log and made a house. And of course, somebody had to have a little fun.
Oh yeah?
But after a couple days, we headed into the adjacent Kings Canyon National Park, which also has giant sequoias. This one is General Grant. But besides that, it has an immense canyon. Unfortunately, the road through it was closed, so this was as close as we got. What we did see was down at Hume Lake, the results of a logging operation that only lasted like 8 years, but left a big mark on the landscape, unfortunately. We saw more evidence of the logging in a place called Big Stumps Grove, where they logged all of these beautiful trees. This is Mark Twain stump here. And then, humans aren't the only threat. Fire can really ravage the forest. But the baby sequoias actually need wildfires to grow from their pine cone seeds because it clears new space in the forest. And in a couple thousand years, we can see what those babies have grown into.